How to change your Roblox password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox password. First, open the Roblox website in your browser. Sign in using your username and password. If you can't remember your password, click on Forgot Password or Username. Type in your email address and press Submit. Complete the puzzle to prove you're not a robot, then click Submit again. After that, open the email website and reach the mail of Roblox. Hit the Reset button and choose your account. Finally, enter your new password and type it again to confirm. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.